Hello students, and welcome to the first screencast for NoodleTools. This is Mrs. Hunicke, and today I am going to walk you through how to sign into NoodleTools, create an MLA style project, and get set up to do citations, note cards, and possibly even an outline and paper, all within NoodleTools. So let's get started. You need to go to NoodleTools.com to sign in, and you can get there by typing it in or by clicking on the link from the library homepage, and you can also find the link on just about every LibGuide that I create for research projects at Portsmouth High School. Once you're on the NoodleTools homepage, you click on Current Users Sign In. And you sign in using your network ID, so your own unique network ID, which is your last name, first initial year of graduation, and the password is PHS Patriots. That's the same as the password for all of our databases. So your own personal ID, network login, and your password PHS Patriots. And you'll be directed to the projects page. If by chance this is the first time you're logging in this year or you haven't used it in a while, you might be asked to revalidate your account. The school or library name is Portsmouth and the password is PHS Patriots again. So once you're on the projects page, you create a new project over here on the right side. And the citation style and level defaults are MLA Advanced, and this is because you're in high school and most of our projects use MLA. The only time you're going to change anything is if you are in a social studies class, and then you'll choose Turabian, Chicago. But for our purposes today, we're going to keep it MLA Advanced, and you're just going to type in a description of your project. So mine is the censorship, and this is for my English 9 CCA. And create project. It brings you to a dashboard page, and you can do all kinds of things here, like type in a research question, a thesis, and then get links to your works cited page, your note cards and outline, and your paper. These components here are the same as the ones in the breadcrumbs at the top. You can get back to all your projects, the dashboard page for a particular project, your bibliography, which is your works cited, your note cards, which also contains the outline and the paper. So these links take you to the same places as these. So one thing I would say is that it's a good idea to put in a research question. So my question on censorship is, where is the line between choosing appropriate library materials and censorship? Oops, question mark. That's a question that's going to keep me focused throughout my whole research process. My thesis statement is that book banning is a form of censorship that hinders the education process. And this is something I'm passionate about, and I'm going to do my research paper on. So that's it for this screencast, but tune into the next one to learn a little more about how to cite your sources. Thanks for listening.